Okay, welcome back. Let's talk about what Nostradamus is saying, and he's very close. So please stick around to the end to see what his ultimate surprise for 2023 is. So let's jump on in. Well, the first thing he said that there would be a war, an invasion of France. He wasn't too far off because we saw what happened in Ukraine, and it did happen in 2022. Second one is inflation and starvation. What are we suffering from right now? High inflation and soon starvation, especially in other countries. So this is pretty much coming true. All right, let's look at one of his other predictions. How about global warming? We did not have a very cold winter this winter. It was very short. I think nobody can disagree with global warming. And finally, the rise of AI. The moon in the full of night over the high mountain. The new sage with a lone brain sees it. By his disciples, invited to be immortal. Eyes to the south, hands in bosoms, bodies in the fire. And when we talk about technology, and it's evolved so much, especially within this last year, this cannot be ignored. Let's look at the definition of what a black swan event is. A black swan is an unpredictable event that is beyond what is normally expected of a situation, has potentially severe consequences. Black swan events are characterized by their extreme rarity, severe impact, and the widespread insistence that they were obvious in hindsight. Okay, let's look at some of the key takeaways. A black swan is an extremely rare event with severe consequences, cannot be predicted beforehand, although we should see these things. So we're going to try to do that right now. Okay, so let's look at the top 5 possibilities that could happen. This isn't a guarantee. These are just hypotheticals based on some of the things that are going on lately. All right, number 1, we have banking crisis and more banking failures with this distribution this summer of the Fed coin, the US dollar coin, that they are planning on doing. That could definitely tank markets as well. All right, number 3, war escalates. It doesn't matter if it's escalation in Ukraine or China. Number 4, Biden is impeached, going to leave us with Kamala Harris, and that would be turmoil for the markets. All right. And then finally, the collapse in commercial real estate. We're already seeing commercial real estate going down. And that when those bank loans become due, because these are short-term notes, all hell is going to break loose. All right. Tell me what your top 5 are. I'm really interested to hear what you say about these things. All right. As always, have a wonderful and blessed evening. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing.